Hello students, so welcome back to English Grammar, and today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 8, and the name of the chapter is Kinds of Nouns. Okay students, in our previous chapter we studied about nouns, that all the naming words are nouns, whether they are the names of persons, place, animal or a thing. All the names are called nouns. Okay. The names of persons, animals, things and places are called nouns. So today we will study some more things. Today we will get some more information about nouns. So how many kinds of nouns are there? Okay. Kinds of nouns means that what are the different kinds. Now see, there are 3 kinds of nouns. So nouns are of 3 kinds. And what are these 3 kinds? Now these are common noun, proper noun and collective noun. Okay students, 3 nouns are, the 3 kinds of nouns are common noun, proper noun and collective noun. So we'll study them one by one. Now the first one, common nouns. What are common nouns? Common nouns are the names given to things, animals, places or people which are of the same kind. Okay children. Now look at the examples. Girl. So girl, glass, boy, clock, pencil and park. These are the names which are common to a group of similar kind of other things also. Okay. Girl is a common name. Okay. Girl, 2 or 3 together are known as girls. Okay. Now glass. Glass is also a common name. Common names, they are the general names. Okay. Common names can also be known as general names. The general names for persons, places, animals or things are common nouns, which we use in common, which we use everywhere and we use them all the time, like chair, table, school, market, father, mother, doctor, teacher. All these are common nouns. Okay students. Now see, proper nouns. Proper nouns are the names of particular persons, places, animals or things. Okay. So proper nouns are those nouns which are used for any particular person. Okay. These are not common. Common nouns are common to a group of same kind of things, places. Okay. Now let's see one example, that city. City is a common name or common noun for a particular kind of places. Now when we say New Delhi, so New Delhi is the name of a particular city. Okay. Among all the cities, each and every city has a particular name also. Okay. And whereas they have a common name, that is city, and all those cities, they have their particular names also. So these particular names are proper nouns which help us to know about that specific city. Okay. Now there's one more thing students, that now first of all let's see the examples. So Jawaharlal Nehru, India, New Delhi, Commonwealth Games, Himalayas, all these are proper nouns as they are used for a special. Now see, Jawaharlal Nehru, it is the name of a special person. India, a specific country. Okay. New Delhi, a special city, name of a special city. Now Commonwealth Games, again name used for a particular kind of games. Okay, and now Himalayas is the name. As you all know, Himalayas is the name for a particular mountain range. Okay, now here is a list of some nouns. Now look, here are some common nouns and here are some proper nouns. Now countries. Countries is a common noun which is used for many different countries. Okay, whereas when we say India or Japan or China, these are the proper nouns, as these are the names of some special country, isn't it? India stands for only India. Japan, it stands for only Japan, and China stands for only China. Whereas countries is a common name for all these three. Okay, so this is the difference between a common noun and a proper noun. Now see cities. Cities is a common noun. Now look, Delhi, Kolkata and Jaipur. All these are the names of particular cities. Okay, whereas in general we can say all these three are cities. So common nouns are the names given to same kind of, now see, same kind of places. These are the same kind of places. These are cities. So cities is a common noun for all these. Then now look here, common name for all the countries. Okay, India is also a country, Japan is also a country, and China is also a country. So this is the difference between common as well as proper noun. Now rivers, Yamuna, Godavari, these are the special names. So special name of one river, it is Yamuna. Special name of another river, it is Godavari. Whereas in common, both of these are rivers. Now players, Sachin Tendulkar, Saina Nehwal. Common nouns, pencils, group of similar kind of things. Apsara pencil, Natraj pencil, these are their proper names, proper nouns. Okay. Now days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and so on. Buildings, Taj Mahal, Red Fort, all these are the proper nouns of buildings. Now children, there is one thing that you always have to remember, that proper nouns, they always begin with a capital letter. You can see here, India, it is beginning with a capital I. Japan, China, Delhi, Yamuna and so on. As now see, our names are also proper nouns, isn't it? These are used for a particular person. So our names also begin with a capital letter, isn't it? When we write our name, the first letter is always capital. So proper nouns, they always begin with a capital letter. So now let's see the exercises. Now students, see in exercise A, here match the common nouns with the proper nouns. Here we have to match these are the common nouns and these are the proper nouns. Now we have to match the common noun with its proper noun. Okay. So look at the first one, boy. Now boy, it is Rahul. Okay. Rahul is a proper name. Okay. A special name which is given to identify a particular person. Okay. Every person is given a special name which is his or her own. Okay. Now see, and these are known as the proper nouns. Okay. Special names which are used to identify a particular person, place, animal or thing. These are the proper nouns. Now second one, girl. It's Richa, city, Mumbai, country, China, river, Godavari, school, St. Joseph's Convent, continent, Asia, and cartoon character, it's Donald Duck. Okay student, so that's all for today, and the rest of the exercises we will do in the next class. Okay.